mä haluan te Krissoni kootrenägä mihin on mä I mun nägä kommer kootla nägä mihin on engang suku många mer min mihin on kommer koot par Krissoni ran If I ride it today. Okay. Let's go.
Ewa wiwi eriyalla Ira kitanella tovi ikaraya Ira to verra to era la via Watarom kato e mamma mia Kaito, siwa eia
Why? Sorento. Kia Sorento. We're here at Alternator 1. Banning in it. Easy. Have a lot of air ahead. Alternator you're gonna wet out.
Is that?
You're fine. Ngang, they're in a way. Suppose from the bottom. I prefer easier on the top for me. Look, thou headlamp. Yeah. Headlamp. Yeah. Brand new alternator. Smell good. Very smell good. Anyway, now about the lumigan. This is how I do it. This is how you do it. That's how they got it. Oh, I don't want to forget. Let's put this in before we do anything else. Mix the plug in and connector and your main point. Find the pulley. Don't forget this pulley. That pulley. Oh, that wouldn't clear man. Eh? Man, that's clear. No boiling. Spin. 19 millimeter. Bring it. I'll take out right here. I'm gonna have to sometimes it's very hard. That's why I use this tools. Okay.
It's payday, isn't it?
It is. Fan. Yeah, little fan. Cooling fan. This is a cooling fan. You got it? I got it. one over here. Over here. There's the screw. Right in here. Make sure it's loud enough. Together, you can see. Whatever clip can, it's right next to you. There's two clips go in here. Behind you. I can see him on the other side. Come.
We'll dim it down further.
Look at this battery, hook it up. And it should be good to go. It should be good to go. Unless, oh, there's more clip here. Oh, dang it. This clip is right here. More clip here. One here. And then 3 over here. Cover. 1 to 3. Brilliant. Okay. Oh man. Right now we have, so we're on now 13.4. Now it dropped down a little bit. Battery needs to be changed. AC is off, on. If I turn it off, then I would jump back up to 13.5 or 7. Right now it's going back up to 7. I need to test drive it, okay? Let's go on test drive.
Diagnosis.
Yeah, verification of the diagnosis. If I make sure I got an alternator charging the battery. You get that? Yeah, 13.8. That's normal. It was after that. Drop back down. Yeah, wala na yung battery.